So as you know, Jamaica has their own digital currency now called Jamdex, and it is partnered with Lynk digital payment or digital wallet. And in this video, I'll basically be showing you how to withdraw the Jamdex incentive for the first 100,000 users who signed up. So you need to ensure that your Lynk digital payments app is fully up to date. Now, as you can see here, July 10th, the Jamdex bug fixes. So let me actually launch Lynk, and I'm going to log in with my account. All right, so once you're in your Lynk account, as you can see here, it is currently on JMD balance. And as you can see, we have $0. So if we should tap on this icon here, as you can see, we have Jamdex balance here. You could actually tap on the Jamdex balance and it will bring you to a new activities tab. Now this activities tab will actually show you what is here. So as you can see here, government benefit received, and as you can see, one failed. I don't know why that failed. We have sent, we have received. Now received is basically what the incentive is for the first 100,000 users of the Lynk application, and exchange is what is sent from the Jamdex balance to your current or primary balance, which is linked to your NCB account. So let me go back. All right, so now how to transfer the Jamdex to your JMD balance. So you need to tap on, from the home page here, you need to tap on more. Now, once you're in more, as you can see, we have a few options: cash in, cash out, and so on. So what you need to look for is the option at the bottom that says exchange, convert money from one currency account to another. So tap on exchange. And as you can see here, we have from Jamdex to JMD, and we could transfer from JMD to Jamdex by simply tapping on the option there to there. So we currently have $2,500 in our Jamdex account. So let's select 2,500, and it is a 1-to-1 rate. So basically one Jamdex dollar is equal to one Jamaican dollar. So once you've selected the 2,500 or any amount which you'd like to send from your Jamdex account to your JMD account, you'd simply need to swipe up to send and give that a few seconds to complete the transaction. So upon completing the transaction, this will be in your JMD account and you could directly withdraw to your NCB bank account. So the Jamdex was successfully submitted. If we should select our JMD balance and select the icon here, we'd be able to see how much exactly we have in our Jamaican. As you can see here, received, and we have 2,500. So we could simply just cash this out to our NCB account. So let's select more, cash out. And let's cash out the 2,500. And let's swipe up to cash out, and this is going to be transferred to our savings account or the NCB account that you have connected. All right, so once the transaction is successful, we could go ahead and check our NCB account to see if the balance is there. So the balance has been successfully transferred and it is titled Lynk transfer. So that is it, how to go ahead and cash out the $2,500 from your Jamdex account to your NCB account. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Hacker 7 out.